Introduction. 1. Fasting. 2. Prayers in the nights of Ramzan. 3. Worshipping Allah at Qadr night. Are parts of faith. In the sacred hadiths of Sahih Bukhari, Prophet Muhammad emphasizes the profound significance of certain acts of worship during the holy month of Ramadan and the night of Qadr. These actions, when performed with sincere faith and the intention of seeking Allah's rewards, hold the immense power to grant forgiveness for past sins. The following hadiths beautifully illustrate this concept. Bukhari. Hadith number 35. Translation. Narrated. Abu Hurairah, R.A. Allah's Apostle said, "Whoever establishes the prayers on the night of Qadr out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, not to show off, then all his past sins will be forgiven." Bukhari. Hadith number 37. Translation. Narrated. Abu Hurairah, R.A. Allah's Apostle said, "Whoever establishes prayers during the nights of Ramadan faithfully out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, not for showing off, all his past sins will be forgiven." Bukhari. Hadith number 38. Translation. Narrated. Abu Hurairah, R.A. Allah's Apostle said, "Whoever observes fasts during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, then all his past sins will be forgiven." Summary. Establishing prayers, fasting during Ramadan, and performing prayers on the night of Qadr with sincerity and seeking Allah's reward, leads to forgiveness of all past sins.